Welcome. Today I am with Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and I'm going to show you a couple camera tricks that you can find in this device. So we can start, for example, from the volume buttons. If you want to take the photo, you can simply make it by tapping on this shutter. That's very obvious. But you can also use these two volume buttons. You can find them right here, near to the power key. And when you click the volume down or volume up button, as you can see, you can also take photos. When you click and hold volume up button, you can take the bird shot. It's the series of the photo. The same when you click and hold the volume down button. And when you swipe and hold your shutter, it will look the same. Take a look. So right now when you enter for the gallery, we can take a look for all of these photos that we take. Of course, when you don't move your device, it looks the same. But when I shot the first one, it was probably this one. Yeah, I was moving. No, sorry guys. Okay, like that. Okay, it was probably this one. So when you move your tablet while making the bird shot, it looks like short video, as you can see. So we can save all of these photos by tapping right here on the left upper corner and tap right here to save all of them. You can also pick only the few, and the rest will be just simply deleted. Okay, so let's go back for this camera application. And we can change function of these volume buttons. So you can go for the settings, and as you can see right here, we will find in the shotting methods volume keys function. So I use it to take a picture, but you can also use to zoom in or out. And take a look. Right now when you press volume up button, we can smoothly zoom in, and we can zoom to the 8 times, and also zoom out by pressing volume down button. Okay, of course I cannot show you it that good like on the smartphone, because this device is very big, so it's not I cannot show you the best view, but here we can find the volume buttons. And also we can switch the lenses. So as you can see right now I switch to the ultra-wide lens by tapping just like that. Okay, we can also add delay to our shutter by tapping right here. We can get 2, 5 or 10 seconds. When you select this 2 seconds, for example, and tap on the screen, after this time, photo will be taken. Right here we can change the aspect ratio, so we can go for the 4:3, 16:9, 1:1, and also for full screen. Also, when you change aspect ratio, you change the photo quality, so always it's recommended to stay with the default aspect ratio. So in this case we got the default 4:3. And when you tap right here, you will get on the left side the panel with presets of filters. So they change color and the temperature, as you can see. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit, maybe like that. So let's go back. Right here we got these filters that you can quickly use, so you don't have to download any external application from the Play Store, and you can adjust the strength of the filter by moving this slider, just like that. To take photo, just press on the shutter, and as you can see, the photo was taken. We can also find right here the filters, the other filters I mean. So it's a little bit different, and they looks, I think, better. I expect this one, the vintage. It's too dark, but the other one looks really nice. And we can also create our own from the exact picture. We can also find here the face beautify mode when you tap right here. But let's go back and we can enter for the settings. I can show you a few options that we can find right here. We can also take the bird shot by swiping the shutter button, but you can also create a GIF, so we can decide which option you want to use. We can also enable or disable the video stabilization. You can decide but the very useful is the grid lines. So with the grid lines, let me just turn off this filter. Let's go for the normal one. With the grid lines, they appear on the screen, as you can see right here. And they help us to take better composition of the photos. So for example, if you want to put something in the middle in your photo, with these lines, you are able to make it definitely easier. Okay, and we can also enable the location tags. So in the most cases, we have to reset the camera application. Let's take a look how it works right here. And this option allows us to show the exact location where the photo was taken. As you can see right here, there is not available. So let me just go back, I'll reset the camera application. Okay, it's also the flight mode, so let's turn it off. Turn on location and open application one more time, take photo, and let's see if it works right now. Yes, it is. As you can see right here, we can find the exact location, so you can pass it in the Google Maps and you will be able to check where the photo or video was taken. So honestly, I think that's all. I can also enter for the settings to keep. Okay, there's nothing interesting, and it's shutting methods. Okay, there's still one more. We can add the floating shutter button. So as you can see right now, it appears on the screen. So we can put it also right here near the left side. You can get two shutters on the right and the left side, wherever you want. If you cannot reach this one, so we can put this one right here, and right now you can take photos. If you want to delete this shutter, floating shutter, click, hold, and then tap on this red line icon. So I think that's all. In the more modes, I just show you that we got the Pro video mode. We can also use the hyperlapse, but there are normal modes where we cannot find a lot of options. The last thing, we can tap on the screen and then increase or decrease the brightness level on our device. So that's all, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.